அட்டகாசமான அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ் நம்ம அம்பத்தூர்ல அம்பத்தூர் ரயில் நிலையத்திலிருந்து 5 minute டிரைவில் லக்ஸரி 2 BHK மற்றும் 3 BHK அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ்.
See, that is what is the constitution says. The governor is only a constitutional head of the state. He is not an elected head of the state. He has to act according as per the advice of the cabinet. That is what the constitution says. When a bill is passed by the state legislature and sent it to the governor for the approval, the governor has to give approval to the bill, or if he finds that there is any legal issue in that bill, he can seek clarification immediately from the government, rectify it, and then have to sign it. That's all. He has to give assent. He is not an elected head of the state. He has to act according to the advice of the cabinet. That is what the constitution says. Article 200 also categorically says that the governor has to sign the bill immediately. If he has any, if he finds anything unlawful or contradictory to any other law, he can seek clarification from the state. He has to immediately say, and he must say that why he is sending the bill back to the government. But this governor has held the bills without signing or without giving any comment. That is wrong. He has to say why he is returning the bill or why he is holding the bill, for what is the reason for his holding the bill. He has to immediately say. Or he has to send it to the President of India for assent. But this governor did not do anything. He was just went on keeping all the bills with him, and that is against constitution. That is what the Supreme Court had said.
So the Supreme Court also says that if the governor decides to send a bill to President of India, then it should be within 3 months. If governor decides to exercise any discretion, then it will be subject to judicial review.
Definitely. Governor is not a legislative authority. He is only a constitutional head of the state. Legislative powers are vested with the state legislature and the cabinet ministers. So if he is sending the bill to the president also, he must do it immediately. When a bill comes to him, he must study the bill. He must seek the advice of the, can even seek the advice of the Advocate General. Then if he finds that anything which is against the existing laws, he can immediately send the bill to the state government and seek clarification, and he must tell why he is sending the bill. That should be known in the public. Then if the state government gives any clarification, he has to sign the bill. That's all. If he finds that it is against any of the existing laws of the government of India, then he can send the bill to the President of India.